In this question, we are having an AM system, that is amplitude modulator system, with an additive thermal noise having a PhD of n by 2 equal to 10 raised to the power minus 12, which is constant throughout our time domain, our x-axis. Assume that a baseband message signal xt has a bandwidth of 4 kHz as amplitude distributed as shown in figure. The signal is demodulated by an envelope detector. Assuming the modulation index equal to 1, we have to find out the minimum value of carrier amplitude A that will give S by N at the output greater than 40 dB. Our solution is, we are having S by N at output greater than 40 dB. Now first we will convert this value in a constant integer value, which is done as follows. dB value is given by 10 log S by N equal to 40. This implies that S by N equal to 10 raised to the power 4. So our S by N at the output is greater than 10 raised to the power 4. Also it is given that our modulation index m equal to 1 in the question. Now our xct, that is our modulated signal, is represented as A into 1 plus xt into cos omega ct, where A is the amplitude of our carrier signal and xt is our modulated signal. And we know that at a modulation index of 1, Sx is equal to S lambda is given as E of, that is acceptation of x square t, that is equal to integration from minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx, where f of x dx is nothing but the PhD of the signal. So this will become on solving, we will get the value of Sx equal to x lambda equal to 1 by 6. We have to simply evaluate this integral here, which is very easy, and I hope every student can do that. Now it is given that our S by N at the output is greater than 10 raised to the power 4, and we also know that the relation between the output SNR and the input SNR is as follows. Sn at the output is equal to Sx upon 1 plus S lambda into SNR at input. This implies that our SNR at input must be greater than 7 into 10 raised to the power 4. So, to find out this, simply put the value of Sn at the output as equal to 10 raised to the power 4 and Sx is equal to 1 by 6 and S lambda equal to 1 by 6, and find out the value of Sn at the input. We will get Sn at the input as 7 into 10 raised to the power 4. Now we also know that Sn at the input is given by A square into 1 plus 1 by 6 upon 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 into 4 into 10 cube. With the help of this expression we can find out the value of A equal to greater than or equal to 31 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 volt, that is A must be greater than 31 millivolt, which is our option A.